What's up, guys? And I'm gonna show you guys the rocket launch. For those of you guys who can't see it, this Atlas V rocket launching from Cape Canaveral, Florida. Last time I checked the counter before I ran downstairs and went outside was at a minute and 30 seconds, but it should be now down to like 50 seconds. We'll see it soon, though. Alright.
What's the tea times?
No clue.
He's videoing. He's not watching the site. I'll try to get it to work on my iPad.
It should be going anytime soon. Anytime soon now.
There it is. It's moving really slow. What? I'm kidding, baby.
Oh, it should be soon. There it is.
Here we go. Come on, Shelby. Here it is.
Next Friday.
Holy crap. That's the rocket right there.
You better hurry.
Here it goes. Holy crap.
There it is.
Neighbor's dogs.
But that plane, I wonder if people on that plane know that rocket's taking.
No.
There it goes.
Look out, puppy. Look out. Look. Stop. Nope. You can't get around me.
Cool.
Dad, you should have brought the binoculars.
Sit. I know. Leave it alone. Sit. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh, you can see the smoke coming out from behind.
We're soon gonna start shooting that way, I think. That's what all the others want to do. Give us a boost. Thanks.
Too bad we can't hear on your phone.
What?
Too bad we can't hear anything.
Why?
Because
It's
them
too far
talking-
away to hear
I mean,
it.
them talking. The guys in the control room.
It's too far away from the TV. We can't hear it on TV.
Oh, you think that plane, they know that rocket's up there?
I'm sure they do now.
Pretty soon it'll be out of our vision, won't it? Our range.
I think so. I'm not sure.
I don't know why I can never focus on that point. I was hoping it didn't blow up.
I'm so confused
It
about
looks
what
like it's
last one's
standing
talking
still,
about.
doesn't it?
No, it looks like it's flying forward.
It's what?
Flying forward.
Oh. What is that noise? Car.
When the shower used to go up, we were over there in Titusville.
Yeah.
I was fishing one time, the whole water and everything. And I was like 5 years old.
I guess these people, some of them never come out to see it, do they? So it looks like some of them over there might be out, do they?
Still going in.
Well, it's going. I'm getting cold. I'm gonna go see what they're saying on TV.
Okay. Just barely see it now. And it's gone. Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.